Okay, so in our last video, we talked about the fact that you can do mental math, you can write it down, and it's not about getting everything done, just writing down the answer. It's about being able to do the steps mentally and put it in and put the building blocks in the right way. So before we did this, and we were trying to do 94 times 7 and break it down bit by bit. And so we already said that 9 times 7 is 63. That's correct. And we did 4 times 7 is 28. Okay? But the answer we had was 91, and that was incorrect. So we're going to show you what we should have done. We should have respected the fact that there is a space, tens and ones. So we got 9 times 7 is 63. And 4 times 7 is 28. That's where you have it. You put it in the right way. So now when you add it up, you've got 6, you've got a 5, and you got an 8. And that's the answer. So you see, just by putting the number in its proper place, you get the right answer. And that's what it is. So mental math is not about looking at it and saying the answer. No, it's about being able to mentally break down the two components and then place them in a way where you can actually add them up. That's showing your work. Again, teachers always want you to show your work, but I want you to learn to do the steps. Now, there comes a point where you can look at it and just break it down. You go, okay, 63, and then 2, and then 8, so it's going to be 6, 5, 8. Okay, but you see how I say it mentally. I would say 63 and then 2, so 63 and 2 is 65, and 8 is on the end. So that's how you do with the mental component, but that's how you show your work. So that's the important thing about doing math. It's not about doing it to the point where you feel like you're doing magic. It's showing that you understand the math, and so you write it out. So that's the important thing. And so if you didn't know this, well, now you know it. And if you knew it, well, it's been confirmed. But that's how you do 2 by 1 calculations.